Have you ever wanted to create your own sticker? Well, today we're going to do it. We're going to hop into Illustrator, create that bad boy, export it, and then bring it into a website like Sticker Mule and get those things printed. Let's do it. Okay, open up Illustrator. And as you can see, I've got a reference here. I'm going to create that little red dinosaur sticker. So first I create a sphere, and then grab the rectangle tool and draw out a rectangle to kind of rough in the shape of the dino, and then hold down Control to duplicate that rectangle, rotate it, and I'm going to go ahead and align things. I've turned on Smart Guides with Command U, and then I'm going to select those points and align them, and then another rectangle, and then we want to get the Shape Builder tool and then drag a quick marquee around the areas that you want to keep, and then holding Control we go ahead and drag a marquee around the areas we want to subtract. Okay, and then I'm going to delete the extra point that was created. Now just a little bit of point pushing and pulling, and then grab the circle tool and draw another circle. And then I'm going to start rounding some corners, and if you want it to be a different type of rounding, you can click on that little click on that little control point, I believe, and that will change it to a flat bevel. And moving points around, referring to my reference material. It's always good to ensure that you're staying as close as possible. And I'm just eyeballing it. I mean, I could have tried to blow up the image and trace over top of it, but it was just a quick sketch, and figure it's easy enough to build this way. But you can see it's a kind of a nice process where we've started with real simple shapes, and then we're just kind of rounding corners, pushing and pulling to create something that will hopefully turn out halfway decent. And now creating the polygon tool, I was able to create a three-sided polygon, also known as a triangle. Zoom in, round off those sharp edges, Control click drag to duplicate those, and we're just going to scale those up, duplicate, flip around, duplicate, bada bing. Not quite sure how round that eye is, so I'll keep playing with that. Then it's just a matter of fine-tuning, pushing and pulling points. Copied that sphere, and then I used the Pathfinder tool and used the option to just leave the negative space, and then pasted the sphere or circle back down, pasted another one, scaled it up, made the center circle red using Command Shift left bracket. I threw that back into the background. Now I'm just going around and coloring the different elements by selecting those elements and then using the eyedropper. Okay, I've decided I want to make those teeth perfect, so I select them all individually and use the Distribute Horizontal button. Went ahead and created an artboard that's a square size. I deleted that background color and then selected the outer circle, made it a black stroke, created a new layer, and double clicked on that, renamed it Die Line, and unclicked Print, so this way it won't show up. And then rename the layer, the first layer, with artwork. And then save that as a PDF. And then now I've flattened the layers back down, and I'm saving that out as a high resolution PNG. And since our die line is just a circle, we can choose the cheaper circle option with Sticker Mule. Choose the number that we want. I'm going to save a little bit more and do 100 of those stickers. open up the file from the desktop. I can use PNG or PDF. I went ahead with the PDF. If you have any special instructions, enter it there. You can see if you spend over $50, you get some of that sweet mule sauce at Sticker Mule, which is a favorite of mine and my wife's. And then just check out, and you're done. Hot dog. There you go. You're set. You can create your own stickers, be the envy of all your friends, and maybe make a buck or two as you sell those bad boys. Now, if this video helped you out, please consider following our little channel at Create or Die, and give us a like. What the heck? Thanks. Until next time, keep it classy.